Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another Chanel unboxing. I told you guys that I have two bags that I already bought in 2023 that I haven't unboxed yet, and now I'm going to be unboxing them in 2024 because you guys know I am going on a no buy in 2024. I'm only planning on buying two bags for the entire year, so this does not count because I had already bought this. So there's still two bags coming in 2024. What they are, what colors they are, no one knows, but they're coming in 2024. So I'm so excited to show you guys this. And I know I shouldn't be excited because I know you guys, once I show you what I got, you guys can be pissed. You're gonna be, the anger levels, you're not gonna be able to control yourself. Like, it's going to be a riot in the comment section. But listen, I take full responsibility and we'll figure this out together, okay? So if you guys want to see the last bag, actually, this is not the last bag from 2023. I actually decided to rearrange the unboxings. So this one was supposed to be the last one, but I decided to put this one first. So there is still another unboxing that is coming, and it is a bag that I bought in 2023. So this is the second to last bag that I bought in 2023. That I actually purchased in 2023. Then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like unboxings, controversial ones, then I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just K Danger. I post every single day over there. There's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So as you guys know, I always do my unboxings for Instagram. So this is just an empty box. Well, it's probably not empty. I'm sure there's like tissue paper and crap in here, but ain't nothing in here. So let's roll the Instagram unboxing. Okay guys, wait. Before you start lighting your torches, let me explain myself. Okay, if you guys saw my wish list video, which I'll link right up here, I did mention that I really want like a chocolate brown bag. So when I found this one, like there was just no way I was gonna say no, especially since the Mini 22 was also on my wish list. I have screenshots up the wazoo on my phone of just Mini 22s in different colorways and different like hardwares, and this just like, it's insane. Textured versions, like there is just, I had a problem for a minute there, and I know you guys don't know that because I was scared. Okay, I was scared to vocalize because you guys know I hate the 22, like the original size 22. I probably don't hate it as much as I did in the beginning, but I still really don't like it. I definitely won't be buying one of those. But the mini, like, it's so cute, you guys. So this is, if I didn't mention already, the Chanel Mini 22 in this beautiful deep brown, like warm, so beautiful color. And obviously it has like the aged gold hardware, and just obsessed with it. I had actually been looking for a very casual crossbody style for a while. Like, I really thought that I wanted something that was just a little bit different than what I already have. You know, I've been buying pretty much the same exact bag over and over and over again, and I'm getting a little tired, I'm getting a little bored. So I wanted something different. And you guys know, pretty much since the Mini 22 came out, I have been really on board. Okay, I have loved this size, and I said exactly in these words, I'm pretty sure this is exactly what the 22 needed. Okay, I'll link the Chanel collection review video that I did right up here, but I was always on board with the size. And pretty much after the last collection, 24C, when they came out with like the coolest 22 bags I've ever seen. Okay, I'll link that collection review up here as well. I was just sold. After that, I was like,
you know what? I can't fight this any longer. I'm obsessed with this bag, and I've got to tell the world about it, okay?
So here I am telling you, I'm obsessed with it. Now, I haven't actually used mine yet, even though I did film the actual unboxing a couple weeks back. I actually bought this on Black Friday, okay? And the day that I'm filming this is New Year's Eve. So it's been about a month, but I have not actually used this bag yet, but I found it on Fashion File. And you guys, there was a sale for Black Friday. I mean, you guys know Fashion File's been doing a good amount of sales. There's actually a sale going on literally right now. I didn't buy anything from the sale, but I'm just saying, literally as I'm filming this, the sale I think ends today. So they've been doing a lot of sales. So I was watching this bag, watching it, like stalking it. And then the day that the Black Friday sale was like available, I said,
Get my card. Alana, get the card.
it came with the stuffing, okay? It came with everything, pretty much. It even came with the tag. Like, that's crazy. I don't have the tag for most of my bags, I'm not gonna lie to you. But the fact that this one came with a tag just made me so happy. So this is from 23A. And I'm sure I did a collection review video on that, so I'll link it up here. I just feel like this is going to be the best bag for this entire like winter, not spring so much, but definitely like the winter vibes are right here. I did mention this in my best fall handbags video, so I'll link that up here. The 22 in general is what I mentioned, but obviously I'm not getting a big 22, so the little mini 22 is gonna have to do for me. And I actually didn't even take off the Fashion File tag yet because I haven't worn it yet, but once I wear it, I'll take it off. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's fabric lined. Can you even see? It's like almost like a black hole. Honestly, you can see nothing. One thing that kind of deterred me from buying this bag is the fact that it doesn't really have any way of closing it. I was kind of put off by that, but at the same time, like, it's okay. It'll be okay. Did I get this in a knot? I hate myself sometimes. You have like the leather chain interwoven situation that you have with like every single Chanel bag. This is a little bit on the thinner side, so it's probably closer to not the mini rectangle, probably the mini with top handle, because the mini top handle has a much thinner chain than just the regular mini rectangle. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is like an identical chain. I know you didn't see anything I just did, but it's the identical chain. I'm not gonna try this on right now. Okay, you're gonna see me try it on, but I'm not gonna try it on with this outfit because this is sequenced the F out, and there's no way I'm scratching my new bag. It's just not what's happening. So another day you will see. So this is how you would obviously wear the bag crossbody, and then of course you've got your two chains over here and your cute little medallion. And I feel like this is such a cool girl bag, okay? And I honestly don't feel like I'm cool enough to be wearing a 22 mini or otherwise, but I'm forcing myself to be cool, okay? I'm just gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be great, you guys. Can't wait to see how I style this because at this moment I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna look great. I'm telling you right now. Just wait for it. I've never actually been into this like dark brown shade, but this color is the color of the moment right now. Don't listen to what anyone else says, okay? They want to tell you it's peach fuzz. It's not peach fuzz. It is this dark chocolate brown. This is the color that you're just going to see on repeat. I feel like I'm already seeing it like crazy. So get you a dark brown bag, okay? And I know a lot of people think that it's like super overpriced for what it is. And like, I get that because it's literally like a sack. That's what it is. It's just a sack. But I mean, everything is overpriced for what it is, so it's okay. Because this strap feeds from the inside, which is different than the other 22s. The other 22s, like this, will be your main strap. So obviously there's going to be a lot of wear on these like edges here. But because these straps and chains are fed from the inside of the bag, I don't think there's going to be a lot of wear on that, okay? I really thought about this, you guys. I thought about it. And I also know that this 22 is a trend. It's definitely a trendy bag. But I am just getting so bored right now that I feel like I need just like a little, like not like all the way, but you know, this is trendy enough and it like works. It works. I just love the fact that this is so different from everything in my collection. And I know you guys are mad at me, okay? You don't have to tell me, I'm aware, but see if you can see it from my side, okay? I changed my mind only a little bit, but like not really, because I've liked the mini pretty much since I've seen it. So like not really, but like a little bit. But yeah, guys, that is my newest bag. Definitely let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? I'll definitely do a review once I've used it ever, and we can talk more in depth. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments so that I can kind of use that for when I do the review. But I am just so excited, and I feel like this is the perfect way to end my 2023, even though you're going to see this in 2024. But this was the perfect way to end my 2023.
Again, this is not the last bag. There is one more that I bought in 2023 that is coming soon, so stay tuned for that.
And jump into 2024. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you hate the 22 like I do? Do you hate all sizes? Do you hate this one even more than the bigger sizes? Do you love it? Are you a 22 like lover? I know there's like a whole bunch of people who love the 22. Just let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, okay? Let me know. I'm curious to know either way. Nicely though. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, I should get a box. Should I? Should I get a box? Oh, can I reach a box? That's the real question.